How to fix TikTok video not showing to others. In order for you to fix this issue, the very first thing you want to do is to move into your application TikTok. Make sure you are logged into a specific account. Simply move into your profile. Once you're inside your profile page, move into the video that you want to show up in their feed. Now click on this three dot icon right over here. Swipe all the way to the left at the bottom, and then you have to click on privacy settings. Make sure it is set to everyone. Once done, click on this horizontal line at the top right corner. Move into settings and privacy and then head over to privacy inside account. Make sure that your account is not private. Well, if you have set your account to private, then it might be the reason that you are facing this issue. So make sure to turn off private account option and then you'll be good to go. So that's the end of the video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.